Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, access Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!